Am I eligible to take HAAD DOH examination for a general practitioner? What are requirements for it? What documents I have to arrange for it? If you are planning to work as general practitioner in Abu Dhabi and you are going through licensing process of DOH for it, and obviously examination is included in the process. These are primarily the basic questions. First questions come in your mind, and these are important. Sometimes it's simplest of things that are most important. So we will discuss it today. Stay connected. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed it yet, kindly do it now. And I am Dr. Ahmed. I am working physician in UAE, and today we will discuss about eligibility and documents required for HAAD examination. As you already know that HAAD name is changed from HAAD to DOH. Old name was HAAD, new name is DOH. DOH is abbreviation of Department of Health. If you have three things, you are eligible to take the exam. GIE, G means graduate. You should be medical graduate. Second thing is I, internship. You should have 1 year experience of internship. Internship is also called as a house job in some countries. This is one and the same things. And third thing is experience. Post internship experience of 2 years. Okay. Note, mark my words, post internship experience of 2 years. I have seen some posts and videos where doctors are confusing it. The 1 year experience of internship is not included in this experience of post internship period. 1 year internship experience is separate. 2 year experience of post internship era is different. You should total have 3 years experience. Okay, 1 year internship and 2 years after that, total 3 years. Okay. Now coming to the required documents or list of things you require to apply for this. Okay, first thing is passport. Regarding passport, your passport should be valid. It has the same name as you have on your documents. Okay. Second thing is your passport expiry date should not be within 6 months. If this is the case with you, apply for new one. In many countries, you can apply before the expiry date. Okay. Second thing is photograph. You should have a recent photograph with white background. Okay. You should have recent photograph with white background. Third thing is experience certificates. Obviously it is for your internship and post internship period. I have marked and circled 3. It means your experience should not be for more than 3 employers in last 2 years. Okay. You can have experience of more than 2 years. If you have experience of more than 2 years, you can have more than 3 employers in that case. But your last 2 years experience should be from 3 employers only. It can be from 1, it can be from 2, it can be from 3, but it should not be 4 or more than 4 employers. Okay, of last 2 years. If you have experience of 10 years and you have 5 employers, no problem. Okay. And you should have experience of last 2 years as well. Okay, if you have gap, this will be a problem. Next thing is your educational qualification. Okay, your educational qualifications. First thing is your degree, and your degree should be in the issuing authority, your college and your university. Primarily your college should be in WHO list. There is a medical colleges directory of WHO. Your college should be in it. Or if it is not included in it, you can check if it is in FEMER. You are again eligible. FEMER is Foundation of Advancement in International Medical Education and Research. Okay. They have also a list of colleges. If your college is included in that and it is not in WHO, it's okay, you are eligible for that. It should be from either of 2. Okay. Second thing in educational qualification you will require is your mark sheets or transcript. Transcript is a document. It has your combined mark sheets on a single paper and or even 2 papers. It is usually issued by your university. They have marks of all of your medical educational years. Okay. If you don't have that, you can apply from your university. Even if there is delay in that, you can upload your mark sheets. This is the same thing, nothing is problematic. Okay. Next thing is good standing certificate. Good standing certificate is must, and it will be issued by licensing authority of your country and when you are applying for first time. Okay, if you have worked in UAE, that is a different case. We are not discussing it right now. For first time you are applying, so your good standing certificate will be issued by your licensing authority of your country. Important thing to note for this is that this good standing certificate expires within 6 months. Okay, so this should be the last document you should apply when you have decided everything and you want to upload your application in coming week. Then apply for good standing certificate. Usually in most of countries, if you go to the licensing authority and apply for urgent, it is issued in 1 to 3 days, and on normal basis usually it takes 2 weeks. Of course, every country has its own rules. I am telling you as a general. Okay, last thing is health professional license. This license is again issued by your licensing authority of country. Again, to note one thing, that expiry date should not be near. If this is the case, you can apply for a new certificate. Okay, for renewal of that certificate. So if you are eligible, after noting that you are graduate and you have 1 year internship, you have 2 years experience post internship of last 2 years, then you are eligible. Okay, for documents requirement, I have concluded everything. Go for your exam. This is a piece of cake. If you have prepared well, don't worry at all. And in next video, I am planning to elaborate all the steps from start to end getting license for HAAD. Okay, if you are if you have decided to get a license of HAAD DOH as general practitioner in Abu Dhabi, what you have to do from start till end. This will be the topic of my next video. Stay connected.